back everyone to my YouTube channel. Today we're here with another exciting video. In this video, I'll be showing you a helpful app that can make your browsing experience smoother and more secure. The app is called Tunnel VPN. This app is available on the Google Play Store, so you can download it safely and easily. Before we start, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video and leave a comment below if you have any questions. That way, you won't miss any of my upcoming tutorials. Alright, let's begin. Step 1. Open the Google Play Store on your phone, then search for Tunnel VPN. When you see the correct app, check its name and icon carefully, then tap Install. Once the installation is complete, tap Open to launch it. Step 2. When the app opens, tap the small menu icon at the top. From the menu, select Online Update. This helps the app refresh its settings and ensure you have the latest connection resources. Step 3. Next, tap on the server selection box. You can choose a server that works best in your region. If you're not sure which one to pick, keep it on Auto Select. This option automatically connects you to the best server available for your location. Step 4. Now tap on the network type box and in the search bar type UDP. From the list, select All Country UDP. This option usually works in most countries, but if it doesn't connect properly in your area, you can select another network type that matches your region. Step 5. If your connection time runs out while using the app, you can extend it by tapping on the Add Time button. Step 6. Finally, tap on the Start button to connect. As you can see, once the VPN connects successfully, you'll be able to browse safely with a stable connection. And that's it. That's how you set up and use the Tunnel VPN app from the Play Store. Thanks for watching today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with more useful tech videos. See you all in the next one. Take care and happy browsing.